thini wa registry ya Machakos itu ya wote thini wa kana tuende continue kwate on this matter. We have demanded that the Ministry of Lands immediately halts the entire exercise of transfer of land records from Machakos registry to water registry altogether until a consultative meeting involving all the stakeholders is held to resolve the matter once and for all. We have also subsequently instructed our lawyers to move to court immediately to have the matter conclusively handled. And thirdly, we call upon the national government to move swiftly and constitute an independent task force in line with Article 188 of the Constitution of Kenya 2010 to deal with boundary issues across the country.